Hey y'all, it's Shay from Lace Point Resin, and I'm getting started with a new project today. And this one's a little bit taller than I normally have gone so far. This is about, I think, a foot by about 4 feet, so it is rather tall, but it's just a simple wood board. I just painted it black ahead of time. But the color I'm starting with today is another color shift pigment from Eye Candy Pigments. I was talking about this in my last video, and I absolutely love Eye Candy, and I'm trying to find new ways and reasons to use their color shift pigments. So that is what I'm getting started with today. This one's like a blue greenish, so depending on what direction you stand, it kind of changes up, hence color shift. Here I'm adding Eye Candy's Ghost Pigments, so it's showing up fairly white in the video, but this is actually a ghost blue and a ghost green. So if you start on a darker background, then it kind of is a smoky kind of effect that it has, but you can also do it on white colors, and they have ghost blue, greens, reds, purples, and it'll give you more of an opal or mother of pearl look. So I really like this. Sometimes I plan out my projects and other times I just wing it. This time I'm actually planning it out ahead of time to see what crystals and designs are gonna work, since I'm going on top of what I've already poured. So this one is kind of giving me an idea ahead of time of how I want to keep it, and then I'll just go on top of it and pour a clear coat of resin. Not a full clear coat, but just a little bit, just to make it stick. This is the liquid leaf adhesive. You're supposed to wait until it's kind of clear and tacky. sometimes that works for me, and then sometimes I'm just impatient. But sometimes it does dry kind of quick, so I just put it on while it was still wet, since I was going to put resin on top of it anyway. And this is the final piece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so that you'll find out what other projects I got coming up next. Bye!